G'day, I'm Brendan and this is Sarah. Along with our two kids, Brody and Charlize, join us on our epic adventure when we set sail on our 48-foot privileged catamaran named Excelsior. So sit back, relax and enjoy as we bring you the good, the bad and the ugly of sailing the east coast of Australia. In this episode, we finally leave the Gladstone Marina and head north around Curtis Island. We find ourselves a little to no wind, so make an impromptu stop at Hummocky Island. Hummocky Island is situated neatly between Gladstone and the Great Keppel Islands and proved to be an amazing little anchorage for a couple of nights. The whole time we were there we could see and hear whales playing nearby. There was plenty to do on this little island, and we made the most of the beautiful conditions. We fished, snorkeled, and even explored a small cave on the northern side of the island. Yeah.
It looks like there's that big rock right behind the crop.
I got it.
It really does look like there's a current coming out there, doesn't it?
Oh, did you feel that water flow out there?
I think that there's a tunnel on the other side. Nice one.
We're good.
Yep, we just hit the rocks. And the engine's off. Lift it. We're dragging.
Now we're good. Yell, baby, scream. Come on, you were screaming at Brody louder before.
You're a freaking douche. Great scream.
Hello, Keppel Islands. Woohoo! Very beautiful. It was almost a year ago we were here in our little boat Dancer. Absolutely gorgeous. We left Hummocky Island this morning. About 7:30 I reckon. There was not much wind. We sailed most of the way, had the heady up, but yeah, the wind dropped out just for something different. And we had to switch the motors on about half an hour ago. That's Monkey Beach over there. Great snorkeling. Love this place. Can be a little bit rolly though. Can't wait to see what it's like in a catamaran this time around. Probably going to be here for, I don't know, maybe a week. Sarah's parents are driving down from Cairns, so if we can catch up with them that'd be awesome. We can take them out for a sail, it'd be great. But yeah, we're just going to kick back and relax. Might even sneak over to the pub for a beer and a pizza. Bloody beautiful. Hummocky Island was a nice little surprise. We set sail from Gladdy and we were going to shoot into Yellow Patch, but we sort of missed the tide and we kept pushing along. We got out of the bay and the wind again just dropped out not long after we passed Hummocky, so we decided with Elusive, sailing vessel Elusive, that crew there, we said, oh, let's just turn around and go back and see what it's like, and we'll spend the night. Ended up spending 3 nights there. It was just fantastic. Loved it. Do a little bit of snorkeling, caught a couple of fish, and yeah, we woke up this morning, Elusive were gone. It was quite rolly last night, so we picked up the anchor and made our way north. Yeah, now I'm just waffling shit, so I'll put the camera down and we'll show you some stuff later on. We'd only intended on spending a couple of days in the Keppels, but the beautiful anchorages coupled with amazing weather conditions saw us stay for nearly 3 weeks. This place should be on everyone's list of destinations to see, as it's truly spectacular and only 300 miles north of Brisbane.
G'day, mate.
That's not so bad there.
No, just don't jump
Run
out
and
of the boat.
jump, Rose.
Just don't jump out of the way.
Do the Michael Jackson thing.
Really going Wait, see that? It's like a robot, man. Ah, I felt something.
Come on, get in the boat. The beach isn't going to be any good.
I like that beach.
We're all going to end up in quicksand. Gotta be over there. Spencer's Beach, an anchorage on the northern side of the island, had this little makeshift hut with a perfect little fire pit to cook your dinner and catch up with fellow yachties for a drink at sunset. This place is like a living postcard. In every corner we turned, we found ourselves another secluded, beautiful, private little beach that the kids would explore and collect coconuts and swim and just have the fantastic time. Sarah's parents, who at the moment are travelling Australia in a caravan, decided to come and spend a couple of weeks with us on the boat. I think we almost had them convinced too to trade the wheels in for water. Jug, the bread making extraordinaire. Hey, look at that loaf of bread. Had to put a horn on a jellyfish. It's going straight to the pool room, Jug.
Are you a caterpillar in a cocoon? Are you going to emerge as a beautiful butterfly?
Just when we thought this place couldn't get any better, every afternoon we were treated to the most spectacular sunsets. Next morning, Brody and I got up and went to the eastern side of Halfway Island to go for a quick spearfish. We came back with the goods for dinner that night, a couple of painted crays. This here.
What's that white bit, doll?
This is a male cray, and that there is called PK,
Which is
named after chewing gum up in the Torres Strait Islands. They like to chew on it because it's really chewy. It's actually the sperm sac from the lobster, so
gross.
I'll pass. There's plenty of meat on that, so what a fish, what a cray. That afternoon we took Sarah's parents to the beach for sundowners with our fellow yachties. Although I think everyone was looking forward to getting back to the boat and starting dinner. Oh yeah. Painted cray on the barbecue. No? How good's that look? The following day we took the other crayfish and some fresh squid that the kids had caught the night before and met up with our friends from Elusive, who the day before also caught a coral trout. Sarah made some beautiful white wine sauce and we cooked ourselves some seafood pizzas over the fire. And let me tell you, they were an absolute hit. Thanks to Sailing for Power for the idea, legends. Yeah. We got fresh cray, calamari and coral trout. Oh shit, the wind's starting to pick up. We're going to lose these pizzas soon. Let's get them on and get them cooked.
You can have 2 each, so I think you're on your second.
We can do another meat one.
2 each.
We'll do another
That's
meat
just
one.
don't be a pig.
The Keppels truly turned it on for us this trip, and we look back on it fondly, especially being able to share the experience with family. Jugandiri, it was a pleasure having you aboard, and we can't wait till you join us again. Thank you so much for watching this episode. We're stoked to be sharing these experiences with you. If you're loving it, then please don't forget to subscribe and give our videos a like. Stay safe, and we'll catch you next time.